Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You picked the wrong one. It's so awkward when other people are here. Welcome. Welcome.
Even fools are thought wise when they keep silent. With their mouths shut, they seem intelligent. Proverbs 17:28.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ken, and I thank you so much for tuning in. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We'll be adding on to the prom series that I said that I was going to do, and here is my friend Kenisha. She's going to be my model today because I've actually had people ask me if like I'm an actual makeup artist or if I just do this as a hobby. I'm an actual makeup artist, so she does this. So if you guys would like to see how I do her makeup, then make sure you tune in. But before you go any further, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also make sure you hit that bell so that way you can get alerts and that way you don't miss any of my videos. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is do her eyebrows and work on her eyes first, and then we'll move on to the face. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Dark Brown.
I really don't have any eyebrows like that, y'all, so don't be making fun of me in the comments talking about what eyebrows. Like,
Girl, what?
you can shave them off and paint them on now, y'all. She working with the 2-3 hairs I got.
2-3 hairs!
Oh God,
shake them
got
hairs
about
right
2-3
now.
hairs. She is a guru. She can braid the hairs if she wants to. Like my facial expressions, I figured let me just.
These are your facial expressions. They're limited.
Girl, I got like
that.
3 strands of eyebrow, yeah. Could you imagine if I had some creases, some angles?
Okay, so of course y'all know the next thing we're gonna go ahead and use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. We're gonna go ahead and carve out her brows just so that way they look a little more crisp, and then we're also gonna use this as our base for our eyeshadows. And I'm just taking a flat brush that I got from e.l.f. like $2 at the store. Y'all know about e.l.f. I don't know why I'm telling y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is with the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and we're gonna start with this purple color called Zobu, and that's gonna be her transition color. So I'm just taking it's my Ray number 6 brush. Y'all should already know that's like my favorite brush, and dip it in, take the excess off, put it right in, move the product, and start blending. If you bring the shadow down some, because we're doing a cut crease anyways, so all of this is going to be removed anyway, so if it gets down on the lid, that's fine. It's not really a big deal. And we're just going to keep blending that out till it's nice and smooth looking, because we want everything to have a nice transition. Okay, so now we're going to go in, let me get with the color Ada, I think is what it's called, and it's like this reddish brown color.
And we're gonna set that right on top of Zoe. We're gonna start deepening up her crease and bring some depth to her eyes.
We're gonna go into the Anastasia Prism palette. Here, let me rag that up. And then we're gonna go in with the black color right here, which is called Obsidian, right here. And we're just gonna put that right on top of the brown. So of course now we're doing a cut crease. So now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm gonna use a flat brush like this for more control. We're gonna go ahead and cut out her cut crease, or cut her crease. Into the Anastasia Prism palette, and we're gonna go in with the color Dimension, which is like this silvery color. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead. So the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is use the Smashbox. Ooh, y'all can. Anyways, the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Yeah, hold on. Here it is. They still can't see it. Whatever, y'all know. Shoot. Okay, so now we're going to go back with our LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're going to go ahead and highlight under the eyes, the nose, the chin, and the forehead.
going with, what color is this? Oh yeah, my black opal foundation stick in the color black walnut, and we're gonna go ahead and contour. I am so sorry. Oh my god!
SOS, no, I'm just joking. It's not her fault. I'm scared. It's me. It's me. Okay, let's try this again.
I just got trust issues. Oh god! I'm just gonna dust it, I promise. Look at me! Okay, look up. It's okay. I promise. Boom. Hold on, I gotta get a little closer. And then we'll be done on this one. Boom. Okay. Boom. Boom.
Okay, so how you like your makeup?
This is boss. I feel real classy right now.
Yes!
I feel real classy right now. Great Gatsby classy, you know?
I'm so glad you like it. You look so pretty.
I feel pretty. And then what's crazy is like I wear glasses most of the time, so I'm just like,
That's how I feel when I'm like, what?
what do I
All I
look
see is two little blurry folks.
Boom. There
This is
it
the
is.
real me. Oh my gosh, she looks really pretty with glasses.
My YouTube channel coming now. I'm just
I'm making up.
right.
Y'all check me out.
Shout out to my mama now.
Hey mama, I made it, kinda, but I don't know that. To all the haters who thought I was never gonna be nothing, but it can't be done. Well, if you guys want to see another video like this, whether it's me or I bring on a guest or I just bring Kenisha back, y'all let me know. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I thank y'all so much for tuning in. I love y'all. God bless. Bye.